welcome to Foresights TV, and this is me, Anushka Tyagi. In a significant policy shift, the Assam state government under Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sharma has mandated proficiency in the local language as a prerequisite for selection in government jobs. This decision comes amidst a contentious debate over the exemption of the permanent resident certificate (PRC) for certain college level appointments, sparking criticism and calls for reconsideration. Here's a special report from Foresights TV. Let's have a look at it with me, Anushka Tyagi. The controversy arose following a notification from the Higher Education Department that exempted the requirement of PRC for appointments such as assistant professors, librarians, and grade 3rd and 4th employees in colleges. This move was swiftly criticized by various quarters, including the All Assam Students Union (AASU), which condemned the decisions as detrimental to the interest of local residents. Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sharma defended the government's stance, arguing that proficiency in the local language is crucial to safeguarding the rights and interests of Assamese people. He emphasized that mere possession of a PRC, obtainable after residing in Assam for 3 years, does not adequately protect these rights. Sharma further criticized the Director of Higher Education for issuing the controversial notification without government approval, stressing that such decisions should not originate from authorized government channels. In response to the backlash, Assam Education Minister Ranoj Pegu intervened, directing the Higher Education Department to withdraw the notification immediately. The government's swift action reflects its sensitivity to public sentiment and commitment to upholding the state's cultural and linguistic integrity. The AASU, while welcoming the withdrawal of the notification, remains vigilant, urging the government to act responsibly and consult stakeholders before implementing policy changes that affect local communities. They have called for a repeal of the exemption and a more inclusive approach towards safeguarding the rights of Assamese people in all governmental appointments. The Assam government's decision to make local language proficiency mandatory for government jobs underscores its commitment to preserving cultural identity and ensuring equitable opportunities for local residents. However, the controversy surrounding the PRC exemption highlights the delicate balance between administrative policy and community expectations. As the dialogue continues, stakeholders anticipate further clarifications and consultations to resolve these issues in a manner that respects both administrative efficiency and local sentiments.